Hello guys, today I am showing you how to download official Windows 10 ISO without media creation tool. Download official Windows 10 ISO without media creation tool. If you are looking for a way to download Windows 10 ISO without using media creation tool, then you have landed at the right place, as today we are going to show you how to do that. Most people do not know that they can still download Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft website, but there is a trick which you have to follow in order to download official Windows 10 ISO. The problem is that when you go to Microsoft website, you do not see an option to download the Windows 10 ISO. Instead, you will get an option to download media creation tool to either upgrade or clean install Windows 10. There is because Microsoft detected the operating system you are running and hide the option to download the Windows 10 ISO file directly. Instead, you get the above option. But do not worry, as we are going to discuss a work around the above issue and following the below step, you will be able to direct download official Windows 10 ISO without creating media tool. You just need to fool the Microsoft website into thinking that you are using an unsupported OS, and you will see an options to direct download Windows 10 ISO 32-bit and 64. Method 1. Download official Windows 10 ISO using Google Chrome. Go to description and click on this link. Right click on the web page and select inspect from the context menu. Now under developer console, click on the three dot from top right and under more tools select network conditions. Under user agent, uncheck select automatically, and from custom drop down select Safari, iPad, iOS 9. Reload the web page by pressing F5 if it does not automatically refresh. From select edition, drop down choose the edition of Windows 10 you want to use. One does click on the confirm button.
Select language according to your preference and click on confirm again. Just make sure that you will need to select the same language when you install Windows 10.
Finally click on either 64-bit download or 32-bit download according to your preference, depending on what types of Windows 10 you want to install. Finally the Windows 10 ISO will be downloaded. Method 2. Download official Windows 10 ISO without media creation tool using Microsoft. Go to description and click on this link. Right click on anywhere on the above web page and select inspect element. You can also direct access the development tools by pressing F12 on your keyboard.
Note, if you do not see the inspect element option, then you need to open about flag in the address bar, new tab, and check mark show view option, and inspect element is the context menu option. From the top menu, click on animation. If you do not see animation, then click on eject icon and then click on animation.
Now from user agent string, drop down select Apple, Safari, iPad under more. Next, from the select edition, drop down choose the edition of Windows 10 you want to use. Click the confirm button, select language according to your preference. Just make sure that you will need to select the same language when you install Windows 10. Finally click on either 64-bit download or 32-bit download according to your preference, depending on what types of Windows 10 you want to install. Finally the Windows 10 ISO will be down. That is, if you want to successfully learn to how to download official Windows 10 ISO without creating media tool. If you still have any question regarding this tutorial, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Okay, that is all for now. Hope you guys found it useful. Thank you for watching this video.